Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This video lecture is the continuation of my previous video lecture. In the first video lecture of 7th week, we have already discussed about orthogonal trajectories. And in this second video lecture of 7th week, today we are going to discuss some problems for practice related to orthogonal trajectories. Now, dear students, as I have already told you that any curve which cuts every member of a given family of curves at right angles is called an orthogonal trajectory of the family. It is not necessary that the curve should intersect every member of the family, but at any intersection of the curve of the first family with a curve of the second family, the tangents of the curves are perpendicular. Now, the procedure to find orthogonal trajectory, and I have already told you in the previous video lecture that we have an equation of the family of curve f of x, y and c is equal to 0, and this equation c is an arbitrary parameter. Now, differentiate this function with respect to x and eliminate any constant, any parameter c, that is from the differential equation, and then substitute minus dx by dy for dy by dx in the above differential equation. This will give the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory, and then solve this differential equation. We will get the required orthogonal trajectory. So, dear students, note that we have family of curve, and we want to find another orthogonal trajectory, another orthogonal family for this family. This is given family of curve, and we want to find another orthogonal family of curve. So, for this purpose, first of all, differentiate this equation. We get the differential equation of the given function. Then replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. We will get the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory. But we want to find the equation of orthogonal trajectory. So, to find the solution of this differential equation, we will get actually the required equation of orthogonal trajectory. For example, this is a problem to find orthogonal trajectories of the family of rectangular parabolas x, y is equal to c. This is given equation of curve of family. So, this equation is given, and this equation represents a family of curve. Now, the equation of the family of hyperbola is x, y is equal to c. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. By product rule, first derivative of second plus second derivative of first, and the derivative of c is 0. Now, x dy by dx plus y, the derivative of x is 1. So, we obtained x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Now, this is the differential equation of the given family of curve. Now, to obtain the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory, replace dy by dx minus dx by dy. Why we replace dy by dx minus dx by dy? Because we know that when two equations are when two geometrical figures are perpendicular, then their slopes are negative reciprocal. Dy by dx actually represent the slope. So when two geometrical figures are perpendicular, then their slopes are negative reciprocal. And in this problem actually we find an orthogonal trajectory for a given family of curve. So replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. In this equation we get minus dx by dy plus y is equal to 0. Now by separation of variable we get minus x dx by dy is equal to minus y, and this implies that to separate the variable we obtain minus x dx is equal to minus y dy. So by separation of variable now we can solve this differential equation by taking the integration of x with respect to x and integration of y with respect to y. So the integration of x is x 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, and plus c, this is constant of integration, and integration of y is y square divided by 2. So x square divided by 2 plus c is equal to y square divided by 2. Multiplying both sides by 2 we obtain x square plus 2c is equal to y square. Suppose we put this 2c is equal to any other constant c, then this equation can be written as y square minus x square is equal to c, and this is the required orthogonal trajectory. So dear students, I would like to tell you again, note that how to find an orthogonal trajectory. The procedure is first of all, note that we have an equation, we have a function of family of curves. So and we want to find another family of curve which is orthogonal to this family of curve. So for this purpose, first of all find the differential equation of the given family of curve, and then replace dy by dx in that differential equation by minus dx by dy. You will get the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory. But we want to find a function, an equation of orthogonal trajectory. So solve that differential equation by taking integration. We will get the required orthogonal trajectory equation. For example, let's move in another problem to find an orthogonal trajectory for the function y square is equal to cx cube, where c is an arbitrary constant in this equation. Now this is given that y square is equal to cx cube. So differentiating this differential equation, this is a given family of curve. So first of all find the differential equation of this family of curve by taking derivative 2y, again derivative of the base dy by dx is equal to, taking power rule, 3x square. So this is the differential equation of the given family of curve. Now find the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory. Replace dy by dx minus dx by dy. But first of all eliminate this c from this equation. Find the value of c from the given equation. We obtain y square divided by x cube is equal to c. So putting this value of c in this differential equation, so we obtain 2y dy by dx is equal to 3x square multiplied y square divided by x cube, and after simplifications we obtain 2y dy by dx is equal to 3y square divided by x, and which can be written as 2 divided both sides by y, we obtain 2 dy by dx is equal to 3y by x. Now we are trying to solve this differential equation. How to solve this differential equation? Dear students, note that this differential equation can be easily solved by separation of variable, but we want to find the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory. This is we do not need to solve this differential equation actually. First of all find the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory, and then we will solve that differential equation by any method. So first of all, find the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory. So replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. We obtain 2 minus dx by dy is equal to 3y divided by x. So by separation of variable, now we can solve this differential equation. By cross multiplication, we obtain 2x dx minus 3y dy. Now hence, since there is separation of variable possible, so taking integration, we can solve this differential equation. The integration of x is x square divided by 2, and the integration of y is y square divided by 2. Now 2 to cancel, x square is equal to minus 3y square divided by 2 plus c, and multiplying both sides by 2, we can write this differential equation as 2x square is equal to minus 3y square plus 2c. And if we put this 2c, replace this 2c by another constant, suppose c1, we can write the simple equations 2x square plus 3y square is equal to c1, and this is actually the required orthogonal trajectory equation. Now another problem, to find an orthogonal trajectory for this family of curve x square plus y square is equal to c square. So dear students, I want to tell you again, first of all, we are given a family of orthogonal curves, It is given that a family of curve is given, an equation of family of curve is given, and we need to find an equation of orthogonal curve for this family of curve. So for this purpose, first of all, differentiate this differential equation. We will get the differential equation of this given family of curve, and then replace dy by dx from the differential equation. You will get the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory. But we do not need the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. We want to find an equation of the orthogonal trajectory. So solve their differential equation. We will get the equation of orthogonal trajectory for this family of curve. Now differentiate this differential equation with respect to x. We get 2x plus 2y dy by dx. The derivative of x square is 2x, and the derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx is equal to 0, and the derivative of this constant term is 0. Now we can write this differential equation as, for the separation of variable, simplify this differential equation. 2y dy by dx is equal to minus 2x, and dividing both sides by 2, we get dy by dx is equal to minus x dy by dx, and this is the differential equation of the given family of curve. So now find the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory. Replace this dy by dx by minus dx by dy. We get minus dx by dy is equal to minus x by y, and now by separation of variable, we can write 1 over x dx is equal to 1 over y dy, and now taking integration, the integration of 1 over x is log x, the integration of 1 over y is log y, and this is the constant of integration log c, and by log rule we can write log of cx is equal to log y, and now we can write y is equal to cx, and this is the required equation of orthogonal trajectory. Now another problem, find the orthogonal trajectory of the family of curve y square is equal to 4cx. So first of all, find the differential equation of this family of curve. So we get dy by 2y dy by dx is equal to, the derivative of x is 1, so we get 4c. Now find the value of c from this from the given equation. we obtain y square divided by 4x is equal to c. So putting the value of c in this differential equation, we get 2y dy by dx is equal to 4 multiplied y square divided by 4x. 4 cancel, and we get 2 dy by dx is equal to y by x. Now dear students, now replace this dy by dx by minus dx by dy for the required orthogonal trajectory. Now for the orthogonal trajectory, replace this dy by dx by minus dx by dy. For the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory, replace this dy by dx by minus dx by dy. But first of all, simplify this differential equation, as I have already told you that this 4 cancel, and dividing both sides by y, we obtain now 2 dy by dx is equal to y by x. This is the differential equation of the given family of curve. But the differential equation for orthogonal trajectory, replace this dy by dx by minus dx by dy, we obtain minus 2 minus dx by dy is equal to y by x. And now for the separation of variable, we can write 2y dy is equal to minus x dx. And now taking integration, the integration of y is y square divided by 2 to cancel, and the integration of x is x square divided by 2 plus c, and this is the required equation of orthogonal trajectory. Now another example, this is the polar form of family of curves, and we have to find another orthogonal trajectory. We have to find a family of curve which is orthogonal to this family of curve. Now find the orthogonal trajectory for the choroid r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, where a is a parameter. Now solution, since it is given that r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, this is equation number 1, and now differentiating this equation with respect to theta. Here theta is the independent variable and r is a dependent variable. Now dr by d theta is equal to a into 1 derivative of this expression with respect to theta. The derivative of 1 is 0, and the derivative of cos is minus sine theta, minus or minus plus. So we obtain dr by d theta is equal to a sine theta. This is equation number 2. Now replace this a from this equation, find the value of a from the given family of curve. We obtain a is equal to r divided by 1 minus cos theta. A is equal to r divided by 1 minus cos theta. Now putting this value of a in this differential equation, we obtain dr by d theta is equal to r sine theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, and this equation can be written as d theta by dr is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by r sine theta. For the simplicity, to solve the differential equation easily, that's why we can write this equation d theta by dr is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by r sine theta. Now multiplying both sides by r, we obtain r d theta by dr is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by sine theta. And dear students, we know that 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sine square theta by 2, and sine theta is equal to 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So putting 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sine square theta by 2, and sine theta is equal to 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cancel, sine cancel, we obtain r d theta by dr is equal to sine theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2, and this can be written as tangent theta by 2. Now dear students, this is the differential equation of the given family of curve in polar form. Now to find the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory, replace this dy theta by dr by minus. Replace this r theta by dr d theta by dr by minus 1 over r dr by d theta. We obtain minus 1 over r dr by d theta is equal to tangent theta by 2, and we can write now 1 over r dr is equal to minus tangent theta by 2 d theta, and this is in this equation separation of variable is possible. Now we can take the integration of 1 over r with respect to r and the integration of tangent theta by 2 with respect to theta, but we can write tangent theta by 2 is equal to sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. And dear students, since the derivative of cos theta by 2 is minus 1 over 2 sine theta by 2, so dividing multiplying by minus 2, and now taking the integration of 1 over r is log r, and the integration of this expression is 2 log of cos theta by 2 plus log of c, and this implies that we can write natural log of r is equal to log cos square theta by 2. By log rule, this coefficients can be in the place of power, so we can write natural log of c cos square theta by 2, and since these two log are in the plus form, so by log rule we can write the log of c multiplied cos square theta by 2, and now we can write r is equal to c cos square theta by 2. So this is the equations of required orthogonal trajectory, and we can write this equation as c by 2 into 1 plus cos theta, as we know that cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta divided by 2. Now if we put c by 2 is equal to another constant like c, we can write the simplest form of the equation r is equal to c and 2 1 plus cos theta. This is the required orthogonal trajectory. This equation is for the required orthogonal trajectory. So dear students, in this lecture, note that how to find an orthogonal trajectory equation for the given family of curve. Note that we have a given family of curve, we have an equation for the family of curve. So first of all, differentiate that equation which is given, and then replace dy by dx in that differential equation by minus dx by dy. We will get the differential equation of the required orthogonal trajectory, but we do not need the differential equation of the orthogonal trajectory. We need to find an equation, a function for our orthogonal trajectory. So solve that second differential equation for the required orthogonal trajectory. Now this is the end of this segment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.